If you're seeing Gmail error 9341, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes that can usually get Gmail working again in just a few minutes. This is one of those errors that can show up because of browser issues, cached data, cookies, or even a problematic extension. So instead of guessing, we're going to walk through the simplest troubleshooting steps one by one. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open a private browsing window. This helps us check whether the issue is coming from your browser's saved data or not. If you're using Chrome, click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, then choose New Incognito Window. If you're using another browser, look for a similar option like New Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Now test Gmail and see if it loads properly. If Gmail works in private mode, that usually means the problem is related to your regular browser session, and that's a good sign because it means we can probably fix it without touching your account itself. If the error still appears, don't worry, we still have a couple more fixes to try. Next, let's clear your browsing data. This is one of the most effective ways to fix Gmail errors because old cookies and cached files can interfere with how Gmail loads. To do this, click the 3-dot menu again in your browser, then go to Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. In the options that appear, make sure you select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. You don't usually need to delete everything unless you want to, but these two options are the important ones for this fix. Once you've selected them, click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely and open Gmail again by going back to mail.google.com. Sign in if needed and check whether the error is gone. A lot of the time, this step alone is enough to resolve Gmail loading issues. If you're still getting the error, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with Gmail, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or extensions that manage email. To test this, click the 3-dot menu in your browser, then go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. From here, turn off any extensions that could affect Gmail, especially anything related to ads, privacy, tracking protection, or email management. If you're not sure which one is causing the problem, you can temporarily disable them all and then refresh Gmail. If Gmail starts working after that, you've found the cause. You can then turn the extensions back on one by one until you identify the one creating the conflict. Once Gmail loads properly again, you should be able to continue using your account normally. So to recap, if you get Gmail error 9341, first test Gmail in an incognito or private window, then clear cookies and cached files, and finally, disable browser extensions that may be interfering with Gmail. These 3 steps solve the problem for many users without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.